Hi, this is Ryan from TriVan Truck Body. We're taking a look at a brand new custom body, 9 feet long, built for a county customer, and the application is graffiti removal. It's a customer supplied brand new Ford F550 cab chassis, 60-inch cab axle. Lots of LED lights. Whalen lighting on the outside, adjustable shelves. Simple step that comes out. ROM doors, the same type of doors you'll see on a fire truck. There's a really interesting 2,000-pound slide out, which the customer will use eventually to carry their buckets of paint. So a custom rack system, overhead shelf up top for ladders. The body itself is all aluminum, so it's a 1/8 inch outer skin, rounded aerodynamic roof edge, full-length drip rails, and it's very much custom built for this customer to their spec. So this is not a mass-produced body, it's a very custom built, all aluminum body. The lighting, the clearance lighting, that is customer specified, so I believe it's truck light, but we of course can provide different types of lighting than the truck light or the Whalen. And that's how it looks, a very nice, well-built rig. This is one of 2 of them, designed and built at TriVan Truck Body. I should mention that all the compartments are ventilated. You see a little Weber vent in the back wall. Shelves as well are infinitely adjustable. Just rolls nicely in place. Backup camera, traffic advisor, class 5 hitch. Thanks for watching TriVan Truck Body in Ferndale, Washington.